The Ultimate Futures Trading Journal walkthrough. Let's dive in. All right, in this video, we're going deep. No surface level stuff. We're kicking things off with the Futures Trading Journal. No matter which version of my Ultimate Trading Journal or any Futures Trading Journal template you're using, they all work the same way. So whatever you see here will match exactly what's in your Futures section. In previous videos, we briefly covered how to set up month, week, and day variables, and even automate them. If you missed that, you can find all the details in the instructions section. Also, before we start, make sure you have at least one account tagged as Futures in your system. If you followed along, you should be all set. Let's enter a trade together. Now, let's log a trade from start to finish. Click the New Trade button. On the new page, select the Futures database template. Boom! Everything formats itself automatically. Your entry date is set the moment you hit the button, but you can adjust it manually if needed. Next, in the Relations section, we assign the relevant details. Just a heads up, if this is a futures trade, the account must be tagged as Futures too. Keep that in mind. Now, let's pick a futures ticker. The cool part? You'll see each ticker's win rate right next to it. You can even tweak which properties are displayed using this three-dot menu. After selecting the ticker, we pick a setup. But where do these setups come from? You can type a new one directly into the dropdown. Or, for full control, go to the Analytics page and add it to your main database. And here's where things get smart. Once you choose a setup, all your predefined rule steps automatically appear in the Setup tab. You can use this to check if you followed your own rules. Later, you'll also analyze this in the Execution page. Let's fill out the entry side section. Entry, stop, and target prices. Quantity and fees. Once that's done, the table instantly calculates how much you're risking and how many R units you're aiming for. But that's not all. You can attach charts, links, and images, add timestamped notes, even set reminders on specific notes. This is your system. Notion gives you total control. Once we've logged the entry, we jump back to the Futures page. Here's where it gets cool. Update the current price of the ticker, and boom! You see your trade's live status in the Open Position section. Ready to exit? You can do it from the Exit Side tab here or directly from the Trade Zone page. Scaling out in 3 stages. This journal lets you scale out of a position in 3 separate stages. Enter each exit price level and quantity. Your trade status updates automatically. Set the exit date, and the system gives you a final trade summary, including your holding time. Here's where we turn data into insights. In the Review section, you log the lowest and highest price levels reached during your trade, the average drawdown and updraw of each setup. Want even deeper insights? The exit reason and retrospective properties help you analyze your trades beyond just P&L. And with the error tracking feature, you can identify recurring mistakes over time. All this data flows into structured post-trade analysis, organized across daily and monthly timeframes. For even more insights, check out the Analytics page. Use the Slicer feature to filter data by any variable you want. Track your trades in Calendar View. See your progress from a whole new perspective. And of course, we have the Cumulative P&L Line Chart, the ultimate performance tracker. Since Notion's free plan only allows one chart, this is the one you'll be using. This journal isn't just about logging trades. It helps you track your daily trading and social routines, measure your monthly progress and consistency, store and review your higher timeframe analyses in the watch list. Final tips. To make everything smoother, use quick action buttons and database buttons to speed up your workflow. Read the callouts, property explanations, and tab descriptions for extra guidance. That's it. Now you have a fully structured system to track, analyze, and optimize your trading. Stay smart, stay consistent, and keep trading with Notion.